Welcome to Leadtek. Today we are going to introduce a 10.1-inch TFT-LCD with 800 by 1280 resolution and 500 candelas per square meter luminance, which guarantees sharp visuals and optimal readability, even under bright factory lighting. This high-performance display delivers consistent wide-angle visibility and precise color reproduction, ensuring optimal operational clarity from centralized control rooms to automated production line monitoring stations. Equipped with a MIPI interface, its ultra-high-speed data transmission capability ensures real-time display of production data, equipment status, and monitoring information, meeting the demand for high efficiency and low latency in industrial production. This display is designed to operate flawlessly in temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to +60 degrees Celsius, guaranteeing reliable performance even in the most demanding industrial environments. If you want to know more about this product, please leave a message or contact us.